power, what you should use is power rule. So let's assume I want to differentiate this. You need to know the general form of power rule. The general form of power rule states that if you want to differentiate a function x raised to power n, where n is whatever the power is, all you need to do is multiply n and then subtract 1 from the power. In differentiation, you use a dot to represent multiplication. So the dot here is representing multiplication. So you take whatever your n is, use it to multiply the function, and then subtract 1 from the power. So if we look at the problem, we're given power n, which is representing the power is 3. So for our function, n is 3. That's in x raised to power 3. The power is 3. So if I want to differentiate x raised to power 3, all I need to do is my n is 3. Anywhere I see n in this expression, I'll put 3 multiplied with x. I still have n here, 3 minus 1. So what do I have? 3x raised to power 2. 3x squared. So this is the answer for that. So you can try it with other examples. If you get stuck, do well to reach out. And if you want to learn how to use product rule, chain rule, sum rule, difference rule, implicit differentiation, function of a function, do well to reach out and watch out for our next video to have a lot of pain. See you.